After the train show in Deland, we went to the barn where the Volusia County Model Railroad Club has their layout. In 2009, they had to start rebuilding it because it was damaged during the hurricane. And this is what it looks like now. Here we are at the barn where they have the DC Railroad. Okay. And they got a lot of construction back here. A lot of sewer pipe. Wonder what they're going to build. A lot of old stuff back here. There's Debbie taking photos. Let's go inside. During the county fair, fairgoers can only view the model railroad from the viewing windows on the outside of the room. But during the train shows, we can go inside and view it a little bit closer. All right, here we go. Southern Pacific.
Are we going new?
Uh-huh.
Hi.
How are you?
How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Not bad?
How's the show?
It's good. A lot of people there.
Yeah.
I spent too much money on a lot of things that I don't need.
Oh, now you know better than that.
I'll end up using it someplace.
Yeah. What's that? Railroad stuff? Railroad stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, I bought some buildings. I have too many buildings right now that I don't know what to build. I got a whole shelf full of buildings that I have to put together yet.
Oh, that's the fun part.
Yeah, that is. On a lot of things that I don't need.
Oh, now you know better than that.
I'll end up using it someplace.
Yeah. What's that? Railroad stuff? Have you been here before?
Several times. Every time they have a train show. Yeah, I put the videos up on YouTube, and they like this place.
Yeah. he didn't pay them.
Yeah. Yeah, well, walking it, I was in it. It is. Usually he comes in. Did you have any such pictures? What do you think? Really? Wow.
That was destroyed in 2007. It was over there.
Uh-huh.
It was building. And it was just this part here. And that tornado came
Oh, wow.
and everything. So they built this building, which is much bigger. And then that section all over there and added the
I like
scale.
this,
Yeah,
up there. I like that.
yeah. That was, the train was donated to us.
Oh,
So we
really?
had to figure out where to put it.
That's a good way to put it.
Yeah. Then my twin sister painted the background.
Oh, wow.
But we don't live here, so.
Yeah.
Put some wire up with make the support. And then we do a ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
And she made the additions all above.
I like the way you hide there.
Oh, yeah.
That's on there.
Oh, yeah, it's ugly if you see.
Yeah.
And it can track.
Mhm.
So we put curtains up and wall up.
That's nice. Make it clean in here.
Well, it doesn't look very good when you, especially when you take a picture.
Yeah.
And then you've got all the paint jars and
Yeah,
everything.
for a dollar.
Yeah, do that.
Good one. You got your mom on the picture?
This is my sister.
Oh, is it? Oh.
She passed away at 83.
My mom is 83.
Where's she?
And she is with 83.
Oh, I'm 87.
Oh, wow. I know Betty White passed away at 99.
Yeah.
And she could walk and everything.
I have a hard time walking.
I do too.
All right, we made it to Buc-ee's and are eating our brisket sandwiches right there. Alrighty. And also got some trail mix and cashews. And $30 some. But cheap gas, $2.99. So